Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. You caught me going through all the back issues of Rolling Heavy. You want to know why? Well, I'm going to tell you. Same reason we haven't gotten a video out in the past couple weeks, and I do apologize about that. I have been elbow deep in putting together Rolling Heavy Magazine number 18, and I just haven't had time to get any video stuff done until now. With that being said, I know the show must go on. So Nicole's up in Edmonds. She said, hey, look, if you don't have time to mess with it, why don't you let me take a stab at it? I said, great, I love that idea. So through the miracle of modern technology, we're going to go from Los Angeles, California, up to Edmonds, Washington, where here Nicole's got her van up in the air and she's going to be trying on some new shoes or something. I'll just let her tell you about it. Take it away, Nicole.
Thanks, Matt. All right, so I really had to put this out on the only nicest day in Washington this week. It is still gray and rainy, and that is my neighbor firing up one of his rad vehicles over there, if you can hear that. Anyways. Might rain on me, but whatever. So today, we're going to be switching out the wheels on my 1975 GMC Vandura. Right now, she's got some Cragars on there, and they look okay. They look good, but it's definitely time to switch it up. Matt and I put together this really rad wheel set a little while back, and we have been dying to put it on something, so it is definitely time. All right, so first up for the front, we have these G6015 XSS 60 super wide tires mounted on some slot mags. And then for the back, we have these N5015 Super Cats mounted on some slot mags also. These are really rad wheels. If you are the type of people that are sticklers on date codes for your tires, then these are probably not for you because they're old, but they're freaking rad, and we are going to be putting them on this guy right now. All right, so it is already starting to try to rain on me, but I think for this wheel and tire setup, it's going to be well worth it, even if it starts downpouring. So let's do this. All right, we got one down, one to go. But I don't know about you, there's just something so exciting about zipping off these wheels and getting the new ones on. As most of you already know, shoes make the outfit, and I think it's really cool how like a simple swap can really change the look of your whole vehicle. So I'm ready to get this other one on there. All right, guys, final look, and just as we suspected, looks really freaking good. We'd love to know what you guys think in the comments. So whether that's you're liking the Cragars, you're digging the slot mags with the super wide tires, and of course you can't forget the Super Cats. Let us know in the comments. Thank you for hanging out with me today in Washington. It is now like 65 degrees when it was trying to rain on me earlier. But anyways, we got lots more content to come. We still got 3 vans up here. We got the 2 Beauvilles, the green and blue, and then we have this guy. There's plenty of work to do on all of them, so that means more content for you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to stay up to date, and it helps grow the channel, and it's all very, very much appreciated. So thank you for hanging out with me today. Da 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 da
da da da da da da da da da da da da da da.